Hey, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Jet to Mastery. In this video, we are going to solve factorial of a given number. So let's discuss what is factorial of a given number. Let's take 5 factorial. So 5 factorial is, first find out the 1 factorial. What is the 1 factorial? 1 into 1. 1 into 1. So your answer become 1, right? Then what is 2 factorial? 2 factorial is nothing but 2 factorial is 2 into 1 factorial. Okay, 2 into 1 factorial. And what is the 1 factorial answer? 1 factorial answer is 1 into 2. Now 2 factorial becomes 2, right? Then if I want to find out the 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2 factorial, right? So what is the 2 factorial answer? 2 factorial answer is a 2 into 3. So your 3 factorial become 6. 2 into 3, 6. If I like that 4 factorial, 6 into 4 is 24. Then 5 factorial. So 24 into 5, 120. Like that it will continue. So what I am going to generalize, let's code up scanner. Scanner SCN equal to new scanner system.in. Okay, so int n equal to scn dot next int next for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. The answer is before that int fact equal to 1, then fact equal to fact store I. Finally print system dot out dot print ln of our fact. Okay, let's discuss the code. This is the code, right? See, my input is 5, my n is 5, and initially my fact equal to 1. My loop will start from 1, I equal to 1 to 5. It will run, right? So first iteration, fact equal to fact star I. So fact equal to fact star I. What is the I value initially? I value is 1. So my fact becomes 1 right now. For the next iteration, this is for I equal to 1. My next iteration, I will become increment. I will increment. So fact equal to fact star I. The fact answer is a 1. So fact equal to fact star I is 2. If my iteration 3, I will increment. Then fact equal to fact star I. Fact value is 2. 2 into I value is 3. 2 into 3, it's 6. Again, I become 4. So fact equal to fact star I. What is the fact value? 6. What is the I value right now? 4. 6 into 4, 24. Then I becomes 5. So my fact equal to fact star I. This one, fact star I become 120. So after that I become 6. My for loop will terminate. So what is the final value of fact? That is 120. Actually 5 factorial is nothing but what is? It is 4 factorial into 5. That's it. So what is 4 factorial? That is 3 factorial into 4. So what is 3 factorial? 2 factorial into 3. What is 2 factorial? 1 factorial into 2. That's it. So I hope you understood this question. So let's run the code. Will it work or not? We'll check. So my given factorial is 5. Yes, we got the expected output. This is what we are expecting. So I hope you have understood this question. I will catch up you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care, guys.